Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pebble from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. We'll start with an angled line up near the top. Then angle it down and over on the right, and down on the left. Now underneath on the left, let's bring it down, angle it back in, and then one more angle, stopping here. And then a curve down on the right, next, at the bottom, let's draw the legs. Let's start inside and let's draw a curve. Then a curve down and back up to close off the first leg. Now for the next one, let's draw a curve up on the left. Then curve it back down and up. Now for the next set of legs, let's draw a curve up on the right, then a curved V shape underneath. And then in between these two legs, let's draw a line across for the bottom of the body. Now let's add the last leg on the left by curving it out and back in. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the face. On the top right, let's draw a large circle for the first eye. And then another circle inside. And let's color this one in black. Now for the next eye, let's draw a circular curve out on the left side, and then a curve inside. And then color this outside section in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop back in and let's draw the nose. In between the eyes here, let's draw a small triangle for the nose. And then color it in black. Now underneath, let's draw a line down, and then two angles down and out. Then hop down and add a small curve. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now let's add a pattern on the body. Let's start with a line down on top of the right eye. Then hop down and let's draw a curve across. Now on the other side of the eye, let's draw an angle down, and then bring it down to the bottom. And add a line across inside. Now inside this top section, let's draw a curve up, then a curve out on both sides, and one more underneath. Now let's add a border inside in the same way. And that's it for the body. Now let's move down and draw the tail. On the bottom right, let's draw an angle out, and then bring it back down. Now underneath, let's angle it back in, and one more line back into the leg. Now inside the tail, let's draw another bent line. And an angle underneath. And that's it for Pebble. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!